Hi there! In this video, we will explain how to create an account as a company reviewer while creating our first position. From the website, we click on Create an account and select the account type for companies. Next, we fill out the first form with our name, email and role. Automatically, we will receive an email at the indicated address with a link from which we can continue with the process. We click on the link that appears in the email and we can now start creating our first job posting. To begin, we will need to indicate the job requirements of our position, including the type of role, the required years of experience, the work modality, remote or hybrid, the candidate's location, the level of English required, lastly, the salary range of the position. Once we click on Continue, the platform starts searching instantly for candidates in our system who match the indicated requirements. This process may take a few seconds. If we don't find enough suitable candidates for our position, we will automatically move on to the third and final step of indicating our job description. Once the search is complete, if we currently have developers who match our position, we will have access to a selection of the best profiles that meet our requirements, which we know as Discover. These blind profiles, meaning without contact information or personal data, are automatically updated every week, so every Monday we will have access to new candidates who match our offer. From here, we can review their profiles. Some of them may have already completed one of our coding challenges, so they will have a complete technical report that we can also access. From within each profile, we can discard candidates who don't convince us or invite them to apply for our position by clicking on Invite. This way, we will send our request to these candidates, and if they accept our invitation, we will have them visible and with contact information in our position. To be able to send invitations to the candidates we are interested in and also receive new applicants, we must first publish our offer by adding a job description. We can add a description of our offer through a link or document where we already have it published or by adding the content manually to our form. Once we complete this, we click on Save and Send to review. All offer descriptions must pass a manual validation by our team, so in less than 24 hours, we will review our offer and check that everything is perfect to publish. When we publish an offer, we are instantly assigned one of Reviewer's coding challenges depending on the type of role we are looking for. We can use this technical test as well as others later on to validate our candidates technically. Next, we can continue creating other open positions or finish the process. We will notify you when we review and finally publish your offer, as well as when new candidates and applicants are added to your position. And that's how you can create your account and post your first job on Rviewer. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment with our customer success team.